Okay class, now that we have learned the two chemical equations of mole equals to mass over mR and mole equals to volume of gas over 24 dm cubed, it is time for us to learn how do we apply the steps. So here's a work example. So first we have got magnesium that reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. You are to calculate the volume of gas required when 12 grams of magnesium ribbon is burned. So what do I do first? Alright, step number 1, you have to write down balance equation and put in the data. So in this case, you are supposed to find what is the volume, alright, of oxygen required and when 12 grams of magnesium is burned. So in this case, this will be 12 grams. Alright, and then this for step number 1, check. Step number 2, find the number of mole of the given substance. So if you look at these two data, alright, we can only find the number of mole of magnesium. So in this case, number of mole of magnesium is equals to mass, which is this, over the mR, and if you take a look of mR of magnesium is actually 24. You will calculate it to be 0.5 mole. Alright, so step number 2 done. So what do I do next? Alright, so now I calculate that this is 0.5 mole and that I'm supposed to find the volume. Alright, next is to find the mole ratio. So how do I calculate? This is a very important concept. How do I calculate mole ratio? I will look at the numbers in front. This is known as the stoichiometric ratio. Without the number, it means by default it is 1. So if I go by ratio, alright, if 0.5 is 0.5 mole is represented by 2 number here, alright, and the ratio is 2 and this is 1, so what should be the number of mole of oxygen? And in this case, because the ratio is 2 is to 1, so if 2 units is 0.5 mole, 1 unit should be 0.25 mole, isn't it? Alright, so now I know this, and then last part is, so step number 3 done. Step 4 is to find what you need to find. In this case, I have mole, I'm supposed to find volume. So number of mole of O2 is equals to volume of gas over 24 dm cubed. So I need to find volume of gas. Given that this is actually 0.25, I can actually just do a simple multiplication. Volume is equals to 24 times 0.5 and we can work out the answer. And that's how you actually attempt step number 4, and that's how you actually complete the whole thing on chemical calculation. Attempt it. I'm sure you have fun doing level 2 and level 3 of the practice.